Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spicy hummus at home, updated. Blend chickpeas, tahini, lemon, garlic, olive oil, and smoked paprika until smooth, adding 3 tablespoons aquafaba or extra oil to reach your preferred creaminess. Taste and adjust salt and heat, starting mild and building to your desired kick. Serve with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika for a vibrant finish everyone will love. Warm, conversational tip time. Begin by blitzing lemon, garlic, and tahini so the sauce emulsifies well. Add in chickpeas and pulse, scraping bowl sides, then pour reserved aquafaba or oil slowly while blending to reach a silky texture. Stir in smoked paprika, cayenne, or fresh chilies to taste, and always finish with a bright squeeze of lemon and a pinch of salt to make flavors pop and round out the heat. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future recipes. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof containers for storing hummus, salads, and meal prep because they seal tightly and stack neatly in the fridge. They make transport worry-free and keep sauces from spilling during outings. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Think about how you want to enjoy your spicy hummus and plan for texture and toppings. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil, add chopped parsley, and sprinkle smoked paprika for visual contrast. Serve with warm pita, crisp veggies, or spread on sandwiches for a spicy, creamy layer. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days and stir gently before serving to recombine any settled oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.